Why do you like Gwerin y Coed?
Because it brings people together. You learn new games, you learn new names, you get to know people.
We went for the Awards for All because we had this whole group of young people who were really keen on doing things and were really good at having good ideas and wanting to organise things and wanting to run things. And quite often they couldn't afford to go to the things that would really help them, or the training that would help them, or we didn't have money for that. And in particular, they had the idea of running a camp for everybody in Wales, all the different groups in Wales, and it wouldn't have happened if they hadn't had that idea.
Ti di cymryd rhan mewn actually rhedeg Gwerin y Coed mewn unrhyw ffordd?
O'n i'n camp coordinator, so o'n i'n nid yn siŵr fod o'n i efo site a fod yr camp ar yr dyddau, wneud yn rhywbeth i wneud i pawb ac roedd pawb yn hapus a pethau fel yna.
Oedd hwnna'n job hawdd neu anodd?
Anodd achos o'n i'n canol exams, ond roedd o'n hwyl, o'n i'n enjoyo.
And so we've done some really nice, interesting, enjoyable work, working with them and supporting them so that they've done that. And they're really good at thinking about other people and feeling that they want this opportunity to be there for other young people, all sorts of young people across Wales in areas where they can't get that opportunity to be so involved and take control.
Wyt ti wedi bod i pethau tu allan i Gymru efo Gwerin y Coed, do?
Do, dwi wedi fynd i Lloegr, dwi wedi cwrdd pobl o llefydd fel Awstra.
Deud sa Gwerin y Coed yn cael grant i wneud pethau mewn llefydd eraill yn Cymru. Dych chi'n meddwl beth hwnna'n syniad da a pam?
Dwi'n meddwl bydd o'n dda oherwydd fyddwn ni'n fel gallu ni agor grwpiau fwy, felly fydd na mwy pres, a wedyn fyddwn ni'n gallu gwneud pethau fel fynd rwydd un o'r pethau maen nhw eisiau gwneud heddiw fel zorbing a pethau, felly mae hwnna'n fynd i fod yn cymryd llawer o pres, ond os mae gennym ni arian, gallen ni agor rhoi grwpiau a gwneud pethau fel yna.
If you had a grant from the lottery, what do you think it would be useful to spend it? What could it be spent on?
We could do some more work here because we could extend it for longer than the 1 year that we can get the Awards for All grant, and maybe we could help groups going somewhere fairly local like Aberystwyth. But we know that there are people who would like to really get groups going in other places like the valleys, and so it would be great to be able to help that.